We've all seen it. Its silhouette, its shape, its presence. The Iztaccíhuatl dominates the horizon with the figure of a sleeping woman. But behind that familiar image, there are secrets that very few people know. Today I'm going to tell you 7 curiosities about the Iztaccíhuatl that might surprise you and make you see it differently. Even though we see it as a single figure, the Iztaccíhuatl is made up of several connected summits. That's why people recognize parts of the body, the head, the chest, the belly, and the feet. Each one is a different peak, and some are as tall as entire volcanoes. For mountaineers, climbing the Iztaccíhuatl is like walking across the body of a sleeping giant woman. Most people think Iztaccíhuatl means sleeping woman, but in reality, the name comes from Nahuatl, Iztac, arm white, Cihuatl, arm woman. In other words, white woman. The idea that she was lying down came later when people began to clearly see her silhouette from the valleys. Few people know this, but the Iztaccíhuatl has glaciers, or rather, the remains of what used to be massive glaciers. For decades, they were a source of water for many towns. Today, they are in danger because of global warming. Mountaineers say that every year the snow retreats a little more, as if the white woman were slowly fading away. Even if it doesn't look like it, the Iztaccíhuatl is a volcano. It's not active, but it once was. Geologists say it entered its final stage hundreds of thousands of years ago. Compared to Popocatépetl, which is still alive, the Iztaccíhuatl is like a wise old woman who has seen everything and now rests. High up on its body, it has ancient craters and vents that can still be seen. It's not a single crater like many volcanoes. It has several points where gases, lava, or steam once escaped. When you walk through the upper zone, it's easy to forget that you're stepping on the crust of a sleeping volcano. We all know the famous version, the princess who died of sadness and the warrior who asked the gods to watch over her forever. But the truth is that the legend changes depending on the town that tells it. In some places, Iztaccíhuatl wasn't a princess, but a guardian. In others, she didn't die. She is waiting to wake up.
The Iztaccíhuatl is not just a mountain. It's a living story, an ancient guardian, and a symbol for all of us who grew up under its shadow. Knowing these details helps us understand and respect it. Next time you see it, remember this. You're not looking at a simple mountain. You're looking at the white woman who has been observing everything for centuries.